say that they haven't done it.
So,
And
Ben and Candace Owens are fighting, and they both work for the same company. I think Ben's like a partner in Daily Wire. Not that anybody in the world actually gives a shit who has to work every day, but I thought it was kind of funny they're going at each other. Since I listen to all these podcasts on my hour drive to work and back, that's the only reason I know. It is an absolutely crappy day out too. I mean, I hate that Carson's driving in this weather. Hopefully she's already home. Yeah, I'm tired. I don't feel like making dinner. I wish this new chicken place was open finally. Oh, there's a cop now. Oh well. One of those people in the backyard. Oh well. Well, I guess we'll see what happens when I get home. Almost there. Did you have a good day, huh? What's going on? Are you out of food? You want food? Alright, let's let Kaiba out first. Somebody went to the orthodontist. Astro, how was your day today? Okay. What's up, buddy? Out of your cage. I know, stretchy stretchies. Stop licking me. Ugh. Ugh. Alright. Looks like you've already been outside. You got in a bunch of mud. You had to be dried off. Yeah. Let's just stay outside for right now. That's, I mean, I know. That's what it looks like on the ground. Alright. Hey, babies. Hi. Get away from Taya. Kaiba, no. Come on. Really? She doesn't like you. Alright, what do you... Alright, what, dude? Seriously. Look, they're racing down the stairs. Kaiba, off. What, babies? Kaiba, off. What? You got food. Yuga Bear. What? What? I don't know what you want, buddy. You got food right there. What do you want? You want your treat? Is that what you want? Okay, come on, let's go get treats. Alright, come on. That turned out really good. Is that what you want? Okay. Your water's full, your food bowl's full. Okay. Okay. I'll get them. I'll get your treats. Alright, let's go. I'm coming. Come on. Wow, you're a little bossy today. I know. Here, is this what you want? You want your treats? Yep, that's what it is. Treats are in here. Is that what you want? Huh? I know. You want it too. Okay. We got... Come on. There's like having more kids, man. Like, seriously. I do like the cats. Alright. Somebody needs to do the dishes. Treats. Is this what you want? I I know. Taya, I'm getting it. Hold on. Come on. Give me a second. I know. Oh my gosh, Yugi. I got it. Hold on. Alright, come on. Let's go downstairs. Let's eat. Come on. Let's get treats. Kaiba, sit. Sit. Stay. He's not gonna stay there. Not a chance now. Alright, come on. Kaiba, no. Here. Go on. There's your treats. Yugi. Go on. Kaiba. Sit. Sit. No. Oh, wow. Come on, look, buddy. There. All your food's up here now. I know I showed you this last night. What? You're not... Alright, come on. You want dinner too? Oh my god, it's so amazing. I gotta feed everybody every night, I swear. Kaiba, come! Kaiba! Get your butt up here. Alright, you want dinner too? You probably already ate. I'm feeding you again. Kaiba. I wonder what the 36 is on there. She does like 4 scoops of that thing, but I don't know. It's just the same thing. Okay. Let's clean out your water bowl. It's kind of nasty. It's got hair and crap in it. Really? If nobody's ever seen Step Brothers, like, you have to see that. Like, Step Brothers 2, I swear, my son and one of his best friends, the more, you've seen him before. He's pretty much family. Yeah. Like, they would do a great job. Dude, you're cleaning all that crap up, seriously. Okay. We got Christmas boxes everywhere. What is that? Sherry Bryant. I'm really too lazy to blur the address out. So if you guys want to send us Christmas presents, go for it. More Christmas crap. Ugh, fragile. I wonder how that made it. I got you food downstairs, Taya. Kate was just here working out, so the workout room's getting some good use. I'm very happy about that. Okay, so let's open up all this stuff and see what's what for Christmas. We'll take a time out until then. I bought some stuff for my new car, but I forgot. Greg, my buddy, bought a car for his daughter. And I told him he could store it in the garage because he wanted to do a couple things to it before he gave it to her. So I told him to bring it here for a little bit. You're probably good there, dude. You're probably good there. Oh, that is fucking wet as fuck. As heck. I have no idea. There's nothing to hit, so I don't know.
Oh, it's probably just a little ball. Oh, it's the chain on here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it just kinked up. You think you can get it off from there?
Yeah, I'm just gonna pull forward a little bit.
It's fine, whatever, dude. I don't care. That's a nice car. Little Kia EX. He always finds the best deals on shit, and I always get ripped off. Like, always. Like, I think he paid $5 grand for that car. I paid 10 for mine. I'd rather have that one. You want a beer?
Sure, I'll take one.
Alright. I think there's beer on the porch, actually. Yeah, so one of my brothers is coming in this weekend, the other one next weekend.
I was wanting to go to the casino on Saturday.
Oh, this Saturday?
Yeah, what do you guys have planned?
Nothing. I can see if my brother wants to go. I don't know about spending money this close to Christmas. Oh, there's only one beer in here. Oh no, there's 2 beers. Thank the Lord. What? Okay, I gotta help him get this crap off of here. Yeah. I would have rather had that than my car. I'll swap you. It's a little chilly tonight. Oh yeah. It's a Kia. He did really good. 6K. Got it from Louisville. Brought it down here. Let him store it here till he's ready to drive to Georgia and give it to her. Bink. Yeah, it looks fucking nice, dude. It's clean as hell too. Super clean for $6 grand. 55,000 miles on it. Lucky dude. Good night. Like, subscribe. Peace. Say good morning to people. Say good morning. Say good morning, people. You're gonna say good morning? That's kind of rude. It's kind of rude not saying good morning. Okay, close enough. Alright, let's get out of here. So we gotta go to work. We gotta go to work. This sucks for you. I know it does. Stay right there. We gotta see where Sherry's at. I think she's downstairs working out. What are you doing? Alright, where do you want me to put him? I'm leaving for work.
Huh?
Where do you want me to put Kaiba? I'm leaving. Well, where do you want me to put him?
Put him in his cage, almost done.
Alright. What's up, buddy? Good morning. Let's go. Let's get to work. See ya.